Okay, I'm in the sun a little bit, but I wanted to show off my new car I got here today, or the other day. That's why I've been busy and been slowed down on putting videos up, because I've been enjoying my new Camaro. And it comes with the remote starter. It worked right there on that. Anyways, it comes with a key starter, but I gotta learn more about how to do that part. Okay, let's get inside and look at it more from inside. Anyways, there we are again. That's the inside, and you just push your foot on the brakes here, and you push it to the lever right here, and that starts it up. Comes with a camera where you can watch how to back up. See how it shows that? And it lets you back up real good. It's a beautiful car. I'm not going to drive it nowhere right now. I can't really go nowhere at this moment because I'm trying to watch my mom anyways. But see if I can get that camera. Anyways, I just wanted to show you my new car that I have here. And I'll see y'all next time for my next video. Y'all have a great day.